Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to see how to assemble and set up the monitor razor from About Space. So we're going to see how the desk actually looks like without this, how I have actually set up my studio, and then with this what difference does it make. So we'll be doing a real life setup and review of this, so you will know whether you should get this, is it going to be useful for you or not. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how to install this. So the installation process is quite easy. They've already marked it. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So in a sequence it will be put in. So the sticker of A is gone from here, but this is A. So you already have these brackets made in. So all you have to do is the B one, I put it here like that, and it's done. Now you have to lock it. So with this you get these locks which will go in here. So you see this small cutout here, so you can just push this in there and it's locked in place. So it's that easy. So you just have to put B, then you put in C, and then I put in D and put the locks on all of them, and it's done. Even without the lock, this is quite strong. You will see it doesn't fall off, and that's it. That's the installation process. So now let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, so this is how my desk looks like. So even though this is a big desk, there's a lot of stuff here. Now the main problem we face is when we are doing editing or we are doing something on the desk, the laptop has to be in front of you and the screen has to be maybe on the side or whatever. But when we do that, if I open up the laptop, then it's going to cover a little bit of the monitor's screen. So this helps you in lifting that up, and now you can keep the laptop and stuff in front and then use it. So let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, so I did the setup. I waited for 2 days. I actually changed a lot of things here. So before, the laptop was outside this way, the monitor was there, I had the laptop razor, everything. But this is the final design I ended up with. So what I like about this is that my laptop, keyboard, my mouse, the iPad, everything actually goes under this, and my monitor is on top, the speaker is on top. So now everything is tucked away, so it doesn't accumulate a lot of dust and stuff. Everything is there. So when I want to use it, I just pull out the laptop. Now one thing good here is, even with the power cable coming out and the attachments, it still goes in. There is enough space. So when you put the leg in, one side will be smaller than the other one. So it depends on which side you turn it. And this is, this doesn't have a front, so you can use it from that side, or this side is going to be the same. So this side for me is longer. So I put the laptop in here. When I want to use it, I just bring this out and then open up the laptop like that. Now it doesn't affect the viewing angle for me, so I can keep the laptop down, I can keep the monitor here, I can even take the iPad out and switch that on. So now everything is in front. When I'm done with my work, I just close this, push this back in, put this in there, put this also in there, and put the mouse also over there, and I'm done. So this is actually a very good investment in case you have a lot of stuff and you want more space. You want to put more stuff in the same place. You see, actually there's a lot of empty space I still haven't used. I have a lot of space, which in time I'll figure out. I'll put more stuff here. So this is my final design. So according to me, this is a good option. Whether you're going for this company or any other company, a monitor razor with enough of space in between is going to be a good idea. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.